Corbett Tiger Reserve is a place visited by so many wildlife enthusiasts, photographers, birders, and naturalists. Situated at the foothills of Uttarakhand, this tiger reserve gives one of the most amazing visuals for wildlife and biodiversity. But what most of the visitors miss to experience is the bioacoustics and geoacoustics produced by the ecology and the wildlife of this tiger reserve. Sounds of birds, animals, tree, wind, rain, water, river, and much more. And in an attempt to capture all these amazing sounds, I am heading to a beautiful jungle lodge called Vanghat Lodge, located right at the start of Corbett Tiger Reserve. Away from the sounds of traffic, people, and other kinds of sound produced by humans, it is a heaven for anyone wanting to record some clean nature sounds. Reaching to the lodge itself is an experience, and as you inch closer to the lodge, you can very well feel that you are leaving behind all the sound pollution and entering into the world of unadulterated nature sounds. This was my second visit to the Vanghat Lodge, and my agenda was to record some bird ambient sounds and do some birding. But I was totally unaware that there were much more surprises waiting for me around the lodge. As I reached the lodge and checked into my room, I heard some loud sounds of elephants. Staff there told me that there is a group of elephants roaming around the lodge. I immediately picked up a recorder and a camera and moved to a location which was closer to this group while still safe inside the property. And what I captured next was an experience of lifetime. Some amazing deep growling sounds produced by the elephants. Let's hear some of those sounds now. What a wonderful day at Vanghat Lodge. Though there is a forecast of rain and I see some clouds coming in, morning was absolutely clear. There was no cloud. Unfortunately, the elephants have moved away from this place. I've seen some of the elephants moving into a different direction. But I'm talking to a lot of people, and what they're saying is that probably by evening they will come back because they will need to drink water. So that's my hope right now. What I want to record is the elephants crossing the river, Ramganga River. That will be an amazing experience. I don't know if it is possible or not, but now that I am here and I don't have any issue in terms of timings, I will definitely try by afternoon if the elephants, come and give me some surprises. Anyways, yesterday night I left one of the recorder and some of the mics outside, and it kept recording sounds. And oh my god! Around 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night, midnight, they started making huge growling sounds. And one of the elephant actually broke into the electric fence and came in very close to my room. I came out and I wanted to, see the elephant by using the flashlight, but I decided not to switch on the flashlight because that might have irritated the elephant, making him or her aggressive. So I don't know if it was a male or female, but oh, it was pretty close to my room, and what an experience! Might scare some of the other people, but I was so excited. I wanted to see it in person in the night, but I heard because probably when it touched the fence, there was a current in it, and then it made huge growling like, oh, there is a there is a vibrating sound in that. When I hear that in my laptop, oh. And as I was waiting for the elephants to return, it started raining, and a really heavy rain. So now there were no elephants and no birds to record sound of. But then there was rain, and rain makes a wonderful subject for sound recording. I recorded the sound of rain under multiple scenarios and conditions, like sounds of rain under umbrella, under bamboo roof, under tin roof, falling on the hard floor, falling in the puddle. And all those scenarios gave me some amazing sounds. Let's hear some of those sounds now. Day 3 at Vanghat was bright and sunny. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning and birds were chirping all over. There was no sign of elephants. I did hear the sounds of elephant at night, but they were on the other side of the Ramganga river. Nonetheless, as today was my last day at Vanghat, I decided to focus on recording the sounds of birds. And at night, I also recorded some amazing sounds of Scope's owl and nightjar. Okay, so last 3 days were absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing is all I can say. Um, when I started from home, I had no clear idea about what exactly I'm going to record in terms of sounds and videos. But you know what? My belief is when you start doing things and just focus on what you love to do, the ideas and the themes start popping up. So when I reached here, all of a sudden I see elephants. And I started recording elephants, the sound of elephants. Raat ko so in the night they were making growling sounds. Daytime they were making mating sounds. So some wonderful sounds. Of course, I so wished I could record more, but then you have to sit here at this place for a very long time, which of course I can't. But anyways, so then I thought probably I will shoot for next 3 days only the elephants. But then nature and the wildlife doesn't work as per your plans. They have their own plans. So day two, elephants disappeared. Literally disappeared. We saw them on day two morning. We saw them going on the other side of Ramganga River, and then gone. No traces of elephants. So then I thought I had a plan, and I am literally sitting at a place now where I don't have a plan. No worries. And then suddenly it started raining. No, so suddenly it started raining. And then rain. Oh, torrential rain. Then I said, okay, this is an opportunity. I'm going to record the sounds of rain. Why not? It's a beautiful place. The rain is a lovely weather. I love rain. So I started recording the sounds of the rain at Vanghat. The whole day I recorded some B-rolls and sounds. And then day three, I recorded some wonderful sounds of birds, chirping at the hide, around the hide. And then today is the fourth day, and my day to leave this place in the morning, I saw elephants appearing. So this is the magic of this place. You don't plan. They plan for you. God planned for you. The wildlife planned for you. You just adjust. You need to quickly adjust your plans, your thoughts, your script. You need to change it. This is not a movie. This is not a cinema. This is nature. You change your scripts